Okay, so you want a brand new tee with a worn vintage look. Well, there is a way to achieve this. It's called distressing, and I will show you how up next. Hey guys, it's Melissa with ShirtSpace, and today we're gonna go over how to distress a tee. Here are some of the following items you may need: a sanding block or a piece of sandpaper, scissors, a cutting board, most importantly, a t-shirt from ShirtSpace, tweezers, pumice stone, cheese grater, chalk, bleach, a spray bottle, dropper, and toothbrush. So you won't need every item on this list, but once you have some or all of the items, let's get to work. Okay, let's choose our t-shirt wisely. The thicker the shirt, the harder it will be to distress. Go for a high quality, thinner cotton or blended tee with some polyester. That way you will be able to tear through the fabric and fray it easier. My recommendations are the N6210 by Next Level. It's a 60% cotton, 40% polyester, weighing in at 4.3 ounces. Second, I recommend the 3001 CVC by Bella Canvas. This is a 4.2 ounce shirt made up of 52% cotton and 48% polyester. Finally, we have the 3413C by Bella Canvas. This tri-blend is made up of 50% polyester, 25% cotton, and 25% rayon, and it weighs in at 3.8 ounces. Next, don't get stressed, let's distress. Lay your t-shirt flat on the table or a large cutting board. Begin to fray the edges with your pumice stone or sandpaper. Work at the edges first, then work your way inward. Work in patches or move in strokes up and down the length of the body towards the shoulders. You will want it to look natural, so make some areas look more faded and worn than others. Now use your chalk to create soft, faded film. Use the flat side of the chalk like charcoal, then smudge it further with your fingers. Another technique would be to cut and rip where you want. Create small rips and tears in the fabric by cutting small holes. Emphasis on small. They will get larger over time. Use your tweezers to pull out a few stray threads or to make a small hole a bit larger. You can use a cheese grater and a razor for the same effect. Great places to do this are the edges of the collar, the base of the tee, and the hems of the sleeve. Think of areas you would know get distressed over time and wear. How about we bleach it? Let's create a deliberate accident for a great worn look. Add bleach to a spray bottle and dilute it with a bit of water. Spray the mixture on the shoulders, waist, and sides. Make sure you also don't forget the back. You can also use a dropper for more of a direct hit. Just be careful of all your other clothing and the surrounding areas when doing this. Bleach is bleach after all. So your final move in distressing your shirt? Add some color to the wash. Using some fabric paint, you can dip your toothbrush and create some light sprays of paint over your t-shirt. When done, make sure you wash your newly distressed tee separately in cold water. Well guys, thank you so much for stopping by to do another ShirtSpace DIY. If you have any other DIYs you'd like to see us do, or maybe another video idea, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great rest of your day. So we're on YouTube a couple times a week, but we're on Instagram 7 days a week. Who wouldn't want to see my face 7 days a week?